First step, what you need to do is you need to remove all the accessories from the tabletop. Step 2, what you need to do is you have to loosen the clamps from the both of the sides. You can see the leg section is detached. Step 3, you need to loosen the clamp of the head section and the head section is removed. Now you have to attach the head section to the pelvic area and tighten the clamps from the both of the sides. Now you have to place the leg section on the side of head section and tighten the clamps. After changing the head section with the leg section, you can take the help of the remote and you can operate the position. Now you need to press this button that's called backrest. You can see the pelvic area of the table coming upwards. By pressing the backrest button on the remote, you will get this position. Now what you need to do is you have to work on the leg section, that is the head part of the table. What you need to do is you have to loosen the clamp from here. You can have a look. We have provided a clamp here. You need to loosen it and tighten it at your desired position, just like this. You can see the chair position is made in the table. So this is how you can make the chair position in our table. This is so easy when you can make the chair position. So I hope you got the knowledge that how you can make the chair position in the